this is how you remove some adhesive from an LED, LCD TV screen. Now there's some stuff that you can't get off that's just on there. You have no clue what adhesive it is. I have no clue. But we're gonna remove it. First stuff you need. So they say you shouldn't use any Windex or any alcohol, any of that stuff, because it can damage the LCD screen. But I have found something that works perfectly after looking around in some forums. Thank you very much, whoever had that. It's this stuff right here called Undo Remover. So you want to get some of the undo stuff? Simply apply, just a little dab about. And this stuff right here, I don't know if you can see that right there, will simply come right up. And this stuff is really cool because it just evaporates very quickly and very nicely. And it tackles that super tough stuff, that soap and water and vinegar and water and all the other stuff that you see in those home remedies do not work against. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole entire TV. So after you get all of the adhesive off, there's gonna kind of be like a skid mark of things. Now I also have a Samsung 49 or 50-inch TV, LED, LCD, Smart HD, 4K. Okay, all right. Anyways, just to let you know what TV I have, so you don't have to worry. But the next thing and the last is basically just touching up on everything and get yourself another towel with some water. Is what I like to do. Well, I got too much water up here. And you can kind of just clean this stuff all up. I will be back. Alright, so after you get that done with a paper towel and some water, what you can do is just wipe it all down. It'll evaporate pretty quickly. You go over it with kind of like a drier towel. Microfiber is good, but I was fine with just one of these paper towel rolls. And that's how you do it. I'll also leave a link down below where you can get this undo stuff. Really great stuff. I highly recommend if you have any adhesive on your LED TV and you don't want to damage it. Also, let's show y'all that the TV is fine. And that's after the cleaning.